now available at the Titan Outlet store, a 1998 Ford F800. This service truck features a Cummins 5.9-liter diesel engine with a 7-speed Spicer manual transmission. The tires are 22.5 by 7.5s on steel rims with a spring suspension. This truck features an 8,000-pound maintainer crane with wired hand controls and an Atlas Copco air compressor, along with a Hannay GH1060 hose reel with holes, a Hobart Champion 10,000 generator and welder, and work lights. The cab features air conditioning. The rear bumper is outfitted with a workbench. If you'd like more information on this Ford F800, get in touch with our sales team here at the Titan Outlet store. If you would like to view more videos, use the links you see here to continue browsing our YouTube channel.